Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel MathTonics. Today we are going to do exercise 3.4 which is in NCERT 10th standard book. Okay, let's start. Here in exercise 3.4 we are going to learn a method called elimination method to solve the given equations. So here what we have to do is in elimination method, as the name says, we are going to eliminate any one of the variable from both the equation and we are going to find the solution for the other variable, and then by using the value we can substitute in any one of the equation and find the other variable. So let's get started. Here what I have to do is, firstly I have to make the coefficient of any one of the variable, either x or y. Coefficient must be equal in both equation. So here I am taking x. If I want to have the equal coefficient, what I have to do is either multiply or divide by any number. So here I am going to multiply this equation by 2 so that I will be getting 2x here and 2x here. So when both these equations have the same coefficient, then I can subtract these equation and eliminate one of the variable, which is x. So when I multiply this by 2, I am getting 2x plus 2y is equal to 10. Now I will be writing this equation as it is. So now what we have to do is subtract both these equations. So this becomes minus, plus and minus. So 2x gets cancelled. 2 plus 3 is 5y, which is equal to 6. So therefore y is equal to 6 by 5. Now what we have to do is substitute this 6 by 5 in any one of the equation. I am substituting it in the first equation. I am having my first equation as x plus y is equal to 5. So instead of y I can substitute 6 by 5. Now when this 6 by 5 comes to that side, x will be equal to 5 minus 6 by 5, which is equal to 25 minus 6 by 5. So therefore x is equal to 19 by 5 is the solution. So here x is equal to 19 by 5 and y is equal to 6 by 5 are the solution for this equation. Okay, let's move on to another sum. Here what I have to do is, first I have to simplify this equation in a single line. So I have to take LCM. For 2 and 3 the LCM is 6. So I have to multiply this by 3 and multiply this by 2. So when I multiply accordingly, I will be getting 3x plus 4y divided by 6 equal to minus 1. When I bring this 6 here, I will be getting 3x plus 4y equal to minus 6. Here similarly, when I take LCM, I will be getting 3x minus y by 3 equal to 3. So when I bring this 3 here, I will be getting 3x minus y is equal to 9. So these are the two equations I am getting. Now what I have to do is subtract. I can directly subtract because the coefficient of x is already same. So 3x plus 4y equal to minus 6. Here I am having 3x minus y equal to 9. So when I change the signs, it become minus, plus and minus. So these both get cancelled. 4 plus 1 is 5y, which is equal to minus 15. So y will be equal to minus 15 by 5, which implies y is equal to, I can cancel these both, is minus 3. So what I have to do is substitute this minus 3 in any one of the equation. I am taking the second equation. Here 3x minus y is equal to 9. So instead of y I can substitute 3x minus 3 is equal to 9. So minus into minus is plus, so 3x plus 3 is equal to 9. When I bring this 3 that side, it becomes 9 minus 3, which is 6. So 3x is equal to 6. So x is equal to 6 by 3. When I cancel these both, I am getting x is equal to 2. So x is equal to 2 and y is equal to minus 3 are the solutions for this equation. So now let's move on to the next sum. Here it is given, if we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, a fraction reduces to 1. It becomes of 1 by 2 if we only add 1 to the denominator. Now we have to find what is the fraction. So we don't know what is the numerator and denominator. So we can consider the numerator as x and the denominator as y. So x by y is the fraction. So here a clue is given as if I add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, the fraction reduces to 1. So if we solve this, we have to cross multiply it. So when I cross multiply, I am getting x plus y is equal to 1 into y minus 1. So when I bring everything to one side, I will be getting x plus 1 minus y plus 1 equal to 0. So x minus y plus 2 equal to 0. Now next statement states that it becomes 1 by 2 if we add only 1 to the denominator. So keeping the numerator as it is, and if I add 1 to the denominator, the fraction becomes 1 by 2. So when I cross multiply this, I will be getting 2x is equal to y plus 1. So when I bring everything to one side, I am getting 2x minus 1 minus y minus 1 equal to 0. So these two are the equations I am getting. Here we can see that the coefficient of y and y are similar. So we don't need to multiply or divide anything. We can directly subtract both these equations. So x minus y is equal to minus 2 if I bring this to that side. And here I am having 2x minus y is equal to 1. So when this minus 1 goes to that side, it becomes plus 1. So now we are going to change the signs. The plus will become minus, this will become plus, and this will become minus. Here x minus 2x is minus x, minus y plus y gets cancelled, minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3. So this minus and this minus gets cancelled, so I am getting x is equal to 3. Now what I have to do is substitute this x is equal to 3 in any one of the equation. Let me substitute in the first equation. So x minus y is equal to minus 2. I know x has 3, so 3 minus y is equal to minus 2. So when I bring that 3 to that side, minus y is equal to minus 2 minus 3, which is minus y is equal to minus 5. This minus minus gets cancelled, so y is equal to 5. So I am getting y as 5. So the fraction must be 3 by 5. Let's move on to next question. The sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 9. So a 2-digit number we have to find, and the digits when added gives 9. So x plus y is equal to 9. So we can consider it as x and y, the 2 digits. Also 9 times this number is twice the number obtained by reversing the order of the digits. So the general formula for a 2-digit number is 10x plus y. So 9 times this number is equal to twice the number obtained by reversing the order. So it becomes 10y plus x. That is, if I am given a number 19, when I reverse the order, it becomes 91. So this is what they are saying. So why do we put 10x plus y? Because a 2-digit number has ones place and a tens place. So the ones place is this and the tens place is this. So always a 2-digit number, if for example 19, can be represented as 1 into 10 plus 9 into 1. So this is what we are representing it here. Since we don't know what is this 1 and 9, we are substituting it as x and y here. Okay, let's solve this. So when I multiply, it becomes 90x plus 9y, which is equal to 20y plus 2x. When I bring everything to one side, 90x plus 9y minus 20y minus 2x equal to 0. So 90x minus 2x is 88x. 9y minus 20y is minus 11y equal to 0. This we can divide by 11. So we will be ending up with 8x minus y equal to 0. And here we are having x plus y as 9. So since the coefficient of y and y are same, we can directly use the elimination method. So x plus y is equal to 9. Here we don't need to change the signs because already they are in the opposite signs. So 8x plus x is 9x. Minus y plus y gets cancelled. 0 plus 9 is 9. So x is equal to 9 by 9, which implies x is equal to 1. So this I have to substitute in any one of the equation. I am substituting it in first equation. So x plus y is equal to 9. I know x as 1. So 1 plus y is equal to 9. Y is equal to 9 minus 1. So this plus 1 when goes to that side becomes minus 1. So y is equal to 8. So the number we are finding it is 18. This is the number. Let's move on to next sum. A lending library has a fixed charge for the first 3 days and an additional charge for each day thereafter. So for the first 3 days they will be having a fixed charge, and for the 4th day, 5th day and 6th day they are having some additional charge. So we don't know both the charges. So let us consider the fixed charge as x and the additional charge as y. So now what we are going to do is, Sarita paid rupees 27 for a book kept for 7 days, while Susie paid 21 rupees for the book kept for 5 days. So for 7 days Sarita paid 27. In that, for the first 3 days they are having a fixed charge. So 3 into x, and the remaining days is, so 7 minus 3 is 4. So for the remaining 4 days some additional charge y is there, and totally she had paid 27. Similarly, Susie for 5 days she had paid 21. So for the first 3 some fixed charge, and for the rest 2 days some additional charge, and she had paid 21 rupees. Now since 3x and 3x, so same coefficient, we are going to directly subtract both these equations. So this become minus, minus, minus. So 3x gets cancelled. 4 minus 2 is 2y, which is equal to 27 minus 21 is 6. So y is equal to 6 by 2. So therefore y is equal to 3. Now we have to substitute it any one of the equation. I am substituting in the second equation. So 3x plus 2y is equal to 21. Here instead of y we have to substitute 3. So 3x 21. 3x plus 6 is equal to 21. 3x is equal to 21 minus 6. 3x is equal to 15. So x is equal to 15 by 3. So x is equal to 5. So therefore the fixed charge x is 5. So the fixed charge is rupees 5 and the additional charge is rupees 3.